Wow, ang cute naman. Balik ka na ron dun saan. Hello guys! Today I playing yung ginawang oven ring. So,
Yes,
yeah.
ginawa ko to.
She was so, adorable. Ah! So, let's go start na guys. Let's go.
Dapat survival. Survival, adventure to, pero okay.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, hindi tayo makaka-break ng blocks. Kasi adventure mode yan. Gumagana nga yung adventure mode.
Oh, Munsi. Stop gulagulahin me. Ha? What the? Ah! Uy, saan naman?
Meron yan barrier.
Ano yung barrier?
Meron ditong invisible platform.
Pwede nga. Yes. Tingin. Ayan na yun. May invisible platforms.
Ba't
Ito nakita na may invisible platforms.
ako naman? Tapos you fell.
Oh, you called it too.
No.
Hoy.
Ako dalawa kasi ako yung gumawa na ito.
Fine, you're the leader.
Uy! Invisible. Uy!
Alam mo
Invisible.
kasi ang gumawa.
Invisible.
Dito.
Hindi, walang invisible dito. Dito lang.
Okay.
Kailangan natin i-restart na. Hello. Animal.
Oh, gee. You know,
Oh, yay!
you're useless.
Ano to? Bears?
Wow, ang cute naman. Balik ka na ron dun saan. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Skip na lang natin yun.
Uy,
Hello mga grizzly bears. Sana hindi mo kami patayin ulit.
Uy!
No. Hoy, grizzly bears! Alis ka dyan. Huwag ka humintay sa akin na mahulog.
Yun na.
Nyomi.
Where is she now? Where is she? Let's see.
No!
Let's see.
Yay! Bang open na ginawa ko.
You know guys, this obby is mahard. Yeah. You need the potion. Uy, ba't may get the potion.
Okay, game mode.
Ako muna.
Okay.
Ikaw na. Sige.
Bayang. Uy, ikaw hindi na.
Ba't
the bathroom.
Close door.
Don't touch red, it will hurt. Ooh. Okay, ooh. Stairs are already kind of dangerous. Why magma? Ako gumawa nito, guys. Meron
Guys.
barrier dito, oh. Barrier.
Guys, tanong ko lang, paano magsama sa Locker World? Kaya nga, para
How
magsama
do we
na
be
kami
friends?
Kaya nga, sa Locker World, paano magsama?
The
Para
bathroom. The
Para
bathroom.
na kami. Para mag-clean na kami ng link. Meron pa naman kaming world.
Shush!
Kung
Ko yung channel, yung house tour. Pero, world tour.
Pinastore mo yung sa
Pero,
akin?
hindi yun yung, nag-update ko yung world namin.
Oh no!
Oo.
Pinastore
You
mo
need
rin yun
toilet
sa akin?
Oo. You need toilet paper. Go to the markets. The exit's behind you. Okay.
Oh no, lava.
Okay, guys. Nung nag-jump kami, hulog ka agad dito.
Yes.
The market is in front of you. Okay. Alam namin yun! Ay! 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 Ay!
You died.
Wala kayong nakikita. Hindi talaga ako pupunta sa creative. La 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 la.
Yan po guys, dumadaan na lang po siya dahil po wala siyang magawa.
La 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 la.
Actually guys, inan na namin to kanina. Fail kami.
Hindi gawa namin to kanina.
Pinatry niya sa akin.
Okay. The market is a little maze. It's true TBH, okay. Ito yung checkout.
Ako
If you got that toilet paper, go back to the bathroom, lol. Pretend to pay.
Hoy, yan.
Ayan, fresh.
Ng ano.
Ito, toilet paper. Hindi
Wala.
natin makuha.
Wait! Saan mo na magagawa ng oven na yan?
Okay. Okay, mag-poop na lang tayo. Poop, poop, poop. If you're done pooping, go sleep, okay? Mag-sleep tayo. Ouch. 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 Ouch, ouch. I know you can't sleep. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Bye!